The first section of this page we will build is the header which contains the navigation labels. To get started, create a new file and save the file on your computer. You can name the file whatever you like. Also create your basic HTML page structure as shown here. Since the entire header is nested inside a table, that's the first thing we will create. So start by creating a table. I have created a table here and the width is 100%, height is 60 pixel, 0 border, cell spacing is 5 and the cell padding is also 5. As well, give it background color black, and so that's the hexadecimal code for the black. Inside this table, create a single row. Inside this row, create a single table column and give it a align attribute set to the left. So anything contained in this column will be aligned to the left. Okay, so we have created a table with one row and one column. Inside this table, we are gonna create a nested table. So this is nested table. Will have a fixed width is 547 pixels. Border has 0. Alignment is central because we want all the links in the middle. And the cell padding and cell spacing is 1 now each. Link will need to be situated inside its own column. So we will have create 5 columns inside this table. Here is the first column. It has width is 96 pixel. We also created a font attribute and set the face to Vardhana, Geneva and Sans Serif. The color of the text will be white. And we have placed the link label inside H3 tag. So it gives it slightly larger font size. Then we close the font tag and close in TD tag. Now you will need to do this for all the remaining links label. So it's the same code. The only difference is that the width for each column is slightly different because some labels are larger than the others, and of course the label is also different for each item. So we save this file and refresh it on browser, and that's how the first section was created. So you can see that it's fairly simple.